Hi, good afternoon, Year 10. Here we have a table based on people's favourite breakfast. We've got cereal 11, toast 8, fruit 6, and cooked 9, and other 6. The first thing we need to do is total this, much like yesterday's lesson. So the total will be 11 plus 8 plus 6. So that's 19 plus 6 is 25, plus 9 is 34, plus 6 is 40. So the total is 40. And we know from yesterday's lesson that there's 360 degrees in a pie chart. So total is 360 degrees. We know that 40 goes into 360 9 times. So we multiply each frequency by 9. (99 degrees), 72 degrees, 6 times 9 is 54 degrees, 9 times 9 is 81 degrees, and 6 times 9 is 54 degrees. The first thing you need to do is draw a baseline. So that's from the center to the circumference. And the first angle we need to measure is 99 degrees for cereal. So we put the base of the protractor at the center of the circle and measure from the baseline. Not from the left hand side, there's no line there. You measure from the baseline. And we measure 99 degrees. So we start from 0, go all the way to 90 and another 9. So 99 is about there. Put our mark there for 99. And from that point on the circumference to the center, we draw a radius. We can now call this cereal. And we've now inputted the cereal angle size into the pie chart. We now move to the second one, which is toast. So we turn the circle of the pie chart round and again put the protractor in the center, put the baseline on the line, and we measure 72 degrees for toast. So start from 0 again, go all the way around to 70, add 2 more for 72. And we label this as toast. That's 72 degrees. This was 99 degrees. The third one is fruit. So we now measure fruit, which is 54 degrees. Turn the pie chart around, go straight to the baseline, and measure 54 degrees. Measure that as 54 degrees and label that as fruit. We now have 2 more to import, that's cooked and other. So we turn the pie chart around again. We know that cooked is 81 degrees, so we now measure 81 degrees. 81 is just there, circle. Again, line from circumference to the center, measure that as 81 degrees and label that as cooked. The last one we don't need to measure because we know that's the last one left, and that's other. That should add up to 54 degrees. Let's check that. Put the protractor in the middle, measure it, and it's just about 54 degrees there. You can see from 0 to 54, and we label that as other. Time to practice.